Welcome. I know, it's getting hot. Wow. That is sharp.
Down along the river.
Yeah, okay.
So we'd have a good view of the arch.
Okay.
We're probably going to be heading south when we do the arch because you're going to be on the right, and we'll have the
That'd
arch
be perfect.
behind. And you have the old courthouse and all that. Then if you time it right, it's courthouse picture.
Okay.
Carmelo wanted to take off out of here and fly south along the river.
So like a left turn out, go up to the north side?
Yeah, and then just get over the river.
Okay.
And then go down the river, you know, just a few miles, like down here to the JB Bridge,
Okay.
which is like 8 miles south. And there's Jefferson Barracks National Cemetery right there. If you want to take some pictures there, circle around a little bit, get comfortable, come back up along the river. In that case, I would be on the Missouri side coming north. You'd be on the Illinois side.
Yeah.
And then we go north.
Yeah, we can start there.
Either, depending on tower and what he's saying, I'll be in contact. I've already called the tower on the ground and told him that we're going to be doing this, and he said no problem.
Cool. Because I like to talk like on them as little as possible. I just want to communicate with you guys.
Right.
I don't have 2 radios, so I have to be on one.
Okay, so you can be on whatever, fingers, whatever.
2345 or
Yeah.
2345?
2345.
There's no like approach frequencies into that. Okay.
No.
Cool.
And you can talk to me on fingers, and I can talk to tower and tell them what we're doing.
Okay. 110 to 115 is pretty fine for me. And actually, I save a shitload of fuel that way too. But the trick is, with what we're doing, like if he's wanting some sort of a knife edge, or even when I throw yaw into it or something like a pose, we got to kind of kick it up because I'm going to lose it the moment I have rudder. So like he's going to want one where I do a complete 90 degrees with the arch. All right.
Right.
So when I do that, you can stay the same, but I'll kick it up a little bit because the moment I hit that 90, I'm going to be at 50 miles an hour.
It's going to take you back.
In order to get that position, I got to get up here so he can get it. I can fall back, and he can get it while I'm there holding it. I'm probably going to lose pretty good altitude too.
Right.
So then I'll have to get back on here. Start off at 100, and then once we get to the end of the runway, pitch it up a little more.
Okay.
And then that way because I can do 90 fairly easy. I can go do 80, but my cooling is going to shit. But 90 is my normal. But I'm at a lot higher angle than you are. Right. So at 100, I would say he can get the really good shots that way. I've got a ton of speed, so I can break out if something was weird. There are some flocks of birds around. I damn near hit one on final.
Right.
And so be careful of that. And then once we get out over off the end of the runway, or he's done or whatever, then I'll take that as a signal. Once you kick up, then I'll just follow you.
All right. So what I'll do is I'll get up, I'll lift up, and then I'll keep her kind of level.
Yeah.
And build up to about 100 towards the end of the runway, and then I'll just climb up.
Right.
There.
That'll work. Yeah. Because what I'll do probably is stagger you slightly. Last time I tried to stay with you, and because I accelerate so fast, I'm trying to let you get out there, not far. I mean, we're talking just about like that, and then I'll go because I can catch you a lot quicker than trying to stay with you. If I stay with you, I'm gonna get wobbly for a while. But if you get there, then I can,